Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure MailerLite for email campaigns step by step clearly. Start by logging into your MailerLite account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Select Create Campaign to begin setting up a new email campaign. Enter a name for your campaign in the designated field. Choose your campaign type, either regular or A/B split testing. Click on Next to proceed to the email design stage. Select a template from MailerLite's library or start from scratch. If you choose a template, click on it to open the editor. Use the drag and drop editor to customize your email layout. Add text blocks, images, buttons, and social media links as needed. Make sure to personalize your email by using merge tags for recipient data. Preview the email by clicking the eye icon at the top right. After reviewing, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Select your recipient group from the drop-down list. You can segment your audience based on their preferences or behaviors. After selecting the group, click Next to move on. Set up your email settings, including the subject line and preview text. Make sure to fill in the from name and email address as well. Review all the details for accuracy and completeness. If everything looks good, click on Schedule or Send. Choose whether you want to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later time. If you schedule it, select the date and time for the email to be sent. Confirm your choices and click Schedule Campaign. Your email campaign is now configured and will be sent as per your settings. Keep an eye on the analytics to gauge the performance after sending. This will help you refine future campaigns for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.